Bore da.
Bore da.
What's your name?
Isabella.
How old are you, Isabella?
5.
What school do you go to?
Welsh school.
Do you like the Welsh school?
Of course I do.
Why do you like the Welsh school?
I like learning new words in Welsh and learning new things.
And does your mother and father speak Welsh?
Now they do.
Now we do.
Yeah.
How was that?
I taught them. When I first was in Welsh school, I taught them how to speak Welsh when I learned a different word.
So every week you learn new words and then you teach them to your parents, is it?
Yeah.
What's the best thing about going to Welsh school?
Learning new words and learning new words about flowers and stuff.
That's what you're learning about at the moment, is it?
Yeah.
And do you think it's a good idea to go to Welsh school?
Of course it is. Because when I was little, I did not know the Welsh language at all. So it's great to know the Welsh language when I didn't even know it when I was a child.
And now you're 5 and you know it.
Yeah.
Can you say some things in Welsh for me?
Rydw i'n hoffi, rydw i'n gall. Eisiau bach.
Can you say, my name is Isabella, I'm 5 years old and I go to a Welsh school?
Mae fy enw fi yn Isabella a rydw i'n 5 oed a rydw i'n mynd I ysgol Cymraeg.
Thank you very much, Isabella. Diolch.